Good day, everyone. So today we're here with Mr.
JG.
and Mr. JG. As I know him, he's a semi-active athlete, and
So, currently I'm a college student. At the same time, I do basketball. So, that's it.
also I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kathleen Wayne Kapoy, and I am from BSN 20, alongside here with Miss
Maria May Campania
and
Liza Faith Capoy.
And I could personally say, with my personal experience during my freshman years with PE1 and PE2, it was really exciting and at the same time fulfilling because I was able to do my hobbies and my likes. And there was a lot of benefits in there, especially that I got into a vehicular accident and I was able to exercise and I was able to regain my strength. That's why I think the PE1 and PE2 was very beneficial during those years.
I've always been passionate about physical fitness and make a priority in my daily routine. So I regularly engage in cardio and flexibility exercises to maintain my overall health. So whether running outdoors or staying active not only keeps me physically fit, but also it helps me manage stress.
So my experience in physical fitness was attending a Zumba class 3 times a week to improve my coordination and cardiovascular health while providing a fun and energetic workout. The upbeat music and dance routines made exercising enjoyable and helped me stay motivated to maintain my physical fitness.
So yes, as you can see, there are a lot of benefits that PE1 and PE2 could teach us. So now we're going to ask some questions to Mr. JG regarding this. So
first question is, what type of lifestyle do you have to present and why did you choose this kind of lifestyle?
So, I currently have a semi-active lifestyle given the situation that I am currently a college student. But I also prioritize my academics as well as my physical and mental health.
The second question is, what was your turning point that made you realize to engage in physical activity and what keeps you motivated?
So, serious illnesses and how it affects my daily life really made me realize that daily exercise can help me to overcome those circumstances and achieve the physique that I desire.
And then next is, as an exercise enthusiast or a regular exerciser, what will you advise to a person with no interest in engaging physical activity?
So my advice to a person that is not physically active is that you start your journey to fitness in order to achieve a healthy and effective life.
So as you can see, guys, there are really a lot of benefits and fun in engaging physical activities. So that's all for today, and I would like to thank Mr. JG for participating. That would be all. Have a great day ahead.